I am Dr. Sarang Dote, Assistant Professor, J.D. Patil Sangrudkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. Today I am going to present my teaching topic for nominate myself in Age India Times Award. But before start with that, first one is about myself. I am MSc, MPhil, PhD in chemistry. I completed PhD in the year of 2016 from the ITMNU, Nagpur University. Apart from that, I have 10-year teaching experience. I am currently working in the J.D. Patil Sangrudkar Mahavidyalaya, Daryapur. And also apart from the teaching, I have the more than 5 years of research experience. My so many research articles were published in various reputed journals. Now, about my teaching methodology. Before COVID-19, I go for offline teaching as well as I go for Google Classroom. Already I started Google Classroom before the COVID-19. Also also Moodle platform is also I am used for the teaching purpose. Right now, due to this COVID-19, it is observed that so many students they are facing problem that due to their connectivity as well as due to some problem they are not able to learn the topics. So I developed one Android. Name of that Android application is eKaksha. In that eKaksha, me and my team from various subjects, physics, chemistry, mathematics, we are giving a YouTube link of video lectures in app. Day by day, this app is developed. One by one, the video is uploaded in the YouTube. The same link is uploaded in the eKaksha app, so that not only from my local students, but in the Maharashtra, in India, any student can access this teaching or these learning methods. In that case, in eKaksha, what I do? In that case, I am prepared one Google form where the video, my topic is there, and below that there is a multiple choice question. Student can able to solve the multiple choice questions immediately after the sessions. So this is maybe very helpful for a student. So this is eKaksha. Now we start with the my today's topic. Today we are going to discuss that is a thermodynamics. This thermodynamics means there are the two words. There are the thermo and dynamics. Thermo means what? Heat, and dynamics means what? Motion. The motion of a heat is known as thermodynamics. In this thermodynamics, we are deals with the what is the meaning of a system, what is the spontaneity of process. Also, various the law, zeroth law of thermodynamics, first law of thermodynamics, second law of thermodynamics, and third law of thermodynamics. We are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, so we start with the first. What is the meaning of system and surrounding? So we first start with the word system. So system means what? The portion of universe under the thermodynamic study is known as a system, whereas the portion which is not in the thermodynamic study system, thermodynamical study, that portion is known as a surrounding. Basically, the according to thermodynamics, universe is equals to, that is, system plus surrounding. System plus surrounding. This is known as a universe. Now, in this case, the system means what and surrounding means what, we will see here. We will taking one of the example, this one. Now suppose this is a one molecule. I am going to hit this molecule. Okay, so that for my study, for my thermodynamical study, this molecule is a system. This molecule is what? Only system, and out of portion which is not under this study is known as what? Surrounding. So that this is a system and this one is the surrounding. So this is, and system plus surrounding both are going to make universe. Both are going to make universe. This is the system plus surrounding. Now, after that system plus surrounding, in the system, now here we are hitting this molecule, or we are pressing this molecule, or whatever is there, thermodynamical changes is there. All these are the processes. So that this system undergo the various thermodynamical process, and due to these changes in this molecule, the surrounding, it may be a heat is liberated, or from the surrounding heat is absorbed. Onto this, there is a changes in the surrounding. So that for thermodynamical study, both system plus surrounding is very important. As far as the chemistry subject is concerned, the chemistry most of the time deals with the system, and physics most of the time deals with the surrounding. इसलिए फिजिक्स को भौतिक शास्त्र बोला जाता है, क्योंकि वो सराउंडिंग का सोचते हैं, whereas केमिस्ट्री जो है वो सिस्टम के बारे में ही सोचेंगे. So that there is a lots of confusion between the thermodynamic in chemistry, thermodynamic in case of a physics. Because in case of a chemistry, if suppose we are saying this is a negative sign for a particular energy, whereas for the same component, in case of a physics, it will be a positive. For example, exothermic process, delta H is a negative in case of a chemistry, but in case of a physics, in terms of a physics, exothermic process, delta H become a positive. Why? Because सराउंडिंग में हीट बढ़ रही है, तो सो दैट हीट बढ़ने की वजह से पॉजिटिव, सिस्टम की हीट कम हो रही है, सो दैट इट इज अ नेगेटिव. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Okay, this one is the very important. Now this is the universe, system plus surrounding. Now, from the thermodynamical point of view, this is the most important. What is the meaning of a spontaneity? Okay, so before that we should know what is the meaning of spontaneous process. The process is one that occurs by its own without any energy input from the outside. That is known as a spontaneous process. That means that process which carry the work done by its own without supplying much more amount of energy. That process is known as a spontaneous. Maximum natural processes are spontaneous in nature. So in case of this portion, they may ask a question like that: what will be the sign of a delta G, whether it is a negative or a positive when the process is a spontaneous? We will see one example now. See the example. Now see, this is one. When we place from the here, okay, when we place from the here, and when we release this structure, it will be go down by its own without supplying of much more amount of energy. So that the process from this movement of this molecule from this to this is a spontaneous. Because ऐसा कहीं पर भी नहीं हो रहा है कि ये जो है ये बीच में रुक गया, ऐसा कभी नहीं होता है. एक बार आपने यहाँ से रिलीज कर दिया तो पूरा नीचे ही आने वाला है. So this is a spontaneous process. For this spontaneous process, now see, अभी ये जो यहाँ से यहाँ जो फ्लो हो रहा है, ओके, यहाँ से यहाँ जो फ्लो हो रहा है, इसके लिए डेल्टा जी लगेगा. ओके, डेल्टा जी लगेगा, दैट इज अ फ्री एनर्जी लगेगा. फ्री एनर्जी कौन सी होती है? जो यूजफुल वर्क डन देगा. कौन फ्री एनर्जी कौन रहेगा? जो यूजफुल वर्क डन देगा. अभी जैसे मैंने इस स्ट्रक्चर को यहाँ से यहाँ रिलीज करता हूँ, तो डेल्टा जी ऑफ दिस सिस्टम इज डिक्रीजेस. डेल्टा जी ऑफ दिस सिस्टम इज व्हाट? डिक्रीजेस. डेल्टा जी डिक्रीजेस. So that delta G की वैल्यू जो होती है for that system is a negative. So that there is a mention that free energy changes, delta G is a negative. So for any spontaneous process, delta G is a negative. Now then for non-spontaneous process means what? Now see, same structure. Now when I have to shift this structure now from bottom to